In a small village lived a poor boy named Nakul. His family had very little money. Many nights after dinner they worried if they would have enough food the next morning. Nakul's father, Mahesh, worked as a laborer. His mother, Savita, cleaned other people's houses. Even in poverty, they never lost hope. They believed that one day Nakul would change their lives. Nakul was a bright student, but he had one bad habit. He always said, "I'll do it tomorrow." While other children woke up early to study, Nakul wasted his time, thinking there was still plenty of it. One day, the school announced a scholarship exam. The winner would get free education for many years. Nakul's father looked at him with hope and said, "Son, this chance may never come again." Nakul promised to study hard. But the next morning he said, "I'll start tomorrow." Tomorrow became next week, and next week became next month. Soon the exam arrived. When Nakul saw the question paper, his heart sank. He knew he had lost the biggest opportunity of his life. A few days later, the results came. His name was not on the list. That evening, he saw his father sitting quietly outside their small house. His father looked disappointed, but he did not say a single word. For the first time, Nakul could not sleep. The next morning, he walked alone to the river, feeling broken. There he met an old man named Guruji Anand. After listening to Nakul's story, Guruji Anand smiled and said, "Your biggest problem is not poverty. Your biggest problem is that you do not respect time." The next morning, before sunrise, Guruji Anand gave Nakul an empty clay pot. "Fill this pot with water from the river," he said, "but do not stop anywhere on the way." Nakul started walking, but he stopped to talk with his friends. When he returned, the pot was almost empty because it had a small hole. Guruji Anand smiled. "Your life is just like this pot. Every excuse, every delay is a small hole. Little by little, your future leaks away." Those words changed Nakul forever. From that day on, he woke up early, planned his time carefully, and stopped delaying his work. It was not easy, but he never gave up. Months later, a famous company announced a national competition. The winner would receive a good job, free education, and a place to live. This time, Nakul was ready. Before he left, his father gave him an old watch. "This watch is not expensive," father said, "but it taught me one lesson. If you respect time, time will respect you." Nakul held the watch close to his heart and left for the city. Thousands of young people joined the competition. Many gave up when the challenges became difficult. But Nakul used every minute wisely. Soon, only 10 contestants remained. One of them was a rich young man named Vikram. He laughed and said, "A village boy like you can never win." Nakul did not argue. He simply worked harder. The night before the final presentation, Vikram secretly hid Nakul's notes. For a moment, Nakul felt helpless. Then he looked at his father's old watch. He remembered every opportunity he had lost because of wasting time. This time, he refused to give up. He stayed awake all night and prepared his entire project again from memory. The next morning, Nakul stood on the stage. His hands were shaking. But after taking a deep breath, he spoke from his heart. He shared the problems of his village and explained his ideas with confidence and honesty. The entire hall listened in complete silence. When he finished, everyone stood up and applauded. The next day, just before the winner was announced, the organizers discovered that someone had stolen Nakul's notes. The CCTV footage revealed the truth. Vikram was caught. He was immediately disqualified. Then the company owner called Nakul onto the stage. He said, "This young man defeated poverty, defeated laziness, respected time, and stayed honest even when life was unfair." This is the kind of person we are looking for. Tears filled Nakul's eyes. He remembered his parents, his father's old watch, and Guruji Anand's lesson. He won the competition. He received the job, free education, and a new life. Years later, Nakul became the director of a successful company, but he never forgot his village. One day, he returned home and quietly placed his father's old watch back into Mahesh's hands. His father smiled and said, "Now you truly understand the value of time." Nakul smiled with tears in his eyes. "I have learned one thing," he said. "Being poor is not the biggest problem. Wasting time is. Money can be earned again, but lost time never comes back." Moral: time is the only treasure that rich and poor people receive equally. The difference is simple. Some people waste it, while others invest it.